Hello, I would like to show you the new command list of RhinoNest 2.5. The objective of this command is add a text or add a dot on an object. Okay, why? Because it's interesting to identify the objects before to do the nesting. Okay, then let's go. We click on list command. First of all, we need to select the objects. Great. Select the object, we have 15. Next, now it's calculating and show us automatically the text of each object. Okay, we can identify the object using a dot, a text, or a single stroke font. Okay, why these three options? The first one is a dot. The best thing of the dot is always the same size. Okay, but it's just for display on the screen. Okay, also you can print it if you want, but if you want to print, I recommend you to use the next one. Okay, the next one is a text. Okay, by default is 1 millimeter. Later we will see how we can change it. Okay, and this text is great for print, or if you use an engraving machine you can use it too. And the third option is the single stroke font. Okay, this is great for CNC machines, okay, and also for engraving. Okay, we can use a prefix if we want. Okay, for example, RhinoNest, I want to use this prefix and add this prefix to all the text. Okay, we add the text, we click to apply. Okay, and now we have RN in all the objects. Okay, great. Other thing interesting, we can use automatic enumeration. Okay, then RhinoNest 1, RhinoNest 2, RhinoNest 3. Okay, okay. Also, we can use the name of the layer of the object. For example, I don't want to use 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to use the name of the layer. Okay, then now in this case is RN default. Okay, also we can use the name of the object. Remember that you can select an object and with F3 you can see the properties, then you can add a name. Okay, my object. Okay, then it will use this name, okay, to list the object. In this case I need to select again the object if I want to if I change the name when I'm using the command. Okay, and also we have the option to define the name using the name of the block. Okay, if we are using blocks, get the name of the blocks. In this case, this object is just a polysurface. For that reason, just show none. Okay, because it doesn't have any name. Okay, great. We will select by number. Okay, imagine in this case, for example, by default get the central of the area of the object. Then in this case, is a typical case, the text is outside, okay, of the object. For that reason, we can activate mode 1 by 1. Okay, and also we can use hide objects. Then I can see all the objects one by one. Okay, and take a look here, for example. Okay, I don't want this text in this position. We can modify the position just clicking here, and okay, and now the text is on the object in the point that we want. Also, we have the second option. The second option allows to define other face of this object. Okay, for example, in this case it's perfect, but imagine, let me modify. Let me show you this case. For example, in this case we have the text in this face, but I don't want in this face. I want to add the text in the other side. Then I click here and say, okay, I want the text here. Okay, also we can modify the direction. Okay, then now that our text is in the face that we want, we can rotate this text. Okay, we can rotate it. okay, and also we can increase the size 2 millimeters, okay, or we can type if we want 5 millimeters, okay. By default, this size just affect to this object, okay, but we can select apply all and define I want to use 4 millimeters for all the objects, okay. Then when we reduce the focus, all the text, okay. Other interesting thing is, imagine that you want to add a different tag for this object, okay. This is the text, but I want to add other text, okay, just to this object, okay. Or for example, I don't want 6, I want maybe, I don't know, 7. We apply, okay. Then now with this command we have the option to define what type of text we want to use, to add a prefix, use an automatic enumeration for the name, the layer name, the object name, and the block name. And also we can adapt where we want the text, okay, the size, the rotation, okay. I think we have all the possibilities to define exactly how you want the text. Okay, we show the rest of the objects, and now we can disable mode one by one. Remember that also you can group, okay, the result with the original object, then just click to finish, and here is, okay. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching.